In today's lecture, we'll see how to accept or how to design a particular DFA for accepting a string which is nothing but which is a substring of any particular string. So we'll take one of the example to design a DFA for accepting a string ending with string containing ABA as a substring. Okay, means a string is consisting of A and B, and we are interested to accept or we are interested to design a particular DFA for accepting a string which is containing a combination of ABA as a substring of that particular string. So we'll see what are the different inputs. So as we know, a string consisting of ABA, so definitely its input will be A comma B, means A and B. Then its states are nothing but Q0 is nothing but for A, then Q1 is for B, then Q2 is for AB, and Q3 is for ABA. Then our initial state is nothing but a Q0. Our final state is nothing but a Q3 because it is having a substring ABA. So now we'll see how to design a state transition table for this particular problem. So we know we are having an input that is nothing but A and B. So we'll take these inputs. Then we are having a states Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So Q0 is nothing but a string having A, string having B, string having AB and string having ABA as a substring. So now we'll provide the inputs. I'll provide A input to Q0. So Q0 with A, it is generating a string AA. So I'll check from this particular last position. Okay, so for A we are having a state that is nothing but a Q0. For AB we are not having a for AA we are not having a state. So we'll satisfy along with the previously matching state. So previously matching state is nothing but a Q0. Then Q0 with B. Q0 is nothing but A and we are getting input B. So it becomes AB. So we'll check from this last position. For B we are having a state that is nothing but a Q1. For AB we are having a state that is nothing but Q2. So we are getting a state that is nothing but a Q2. Then for Q1 we'll provide input. So Q1 is already B, and if we'll provide input A to it, it becomes BA. We'll check for this A. For A there is a state that is nothing but a Q0. For BA there is no state available, so we'll satisfy along with the previously matching state that is nothing but a Q0. Then Q1 with B, it becomes BB. For B state is available, for BB state is not available, so I'll satisfy along with a B, previously matching state, that is nothing but a Q1. The next it is AB. AB with input A, it becomes ABA, so I'll check for this A, state is not available. Okay, state is available, that is for A state is available, that is nothing but a Q0. For BA state is not available, we have one more character, that is A, so I'll check for this ABA, string is available, that is nothing but a Q3. Okay, state is available, that is nothing but a Q3, so I'll write here Q3. Then ABB, I'll check for this B, string is not available, state is available, that is nothing but a Q1. I'll check for this BB, state is not available. I'll check for ABB, state is not available. So I'll satisfy along with the previously matching state, that is nothing but a Q1. The next ABA. Okay, so this is containing ABA, so definitely any input will provide, it will always contain a string ABA. So I'll directly write Q3 here. I'll directly write Q3 here. Okay, so this is a state transition table for this particular problem. Now we should write a state transition equations as usual. Q0 with A, it gives you Q0, then Q0 with B, it gives you Q2, and so on. Last transition I'll write Q3 with B, it gives you Q3. Okay, you should complete all these things while writing answer for this particular question. Now we'll see how to draw a state transition diagram for this particular problem. So I'm having a states Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3, which is also a final state, so I'll make it double circle. So now Q0 with A is going to Q0, Q0 with B is going to Q2, then Q1 with A is going to Q0, then Q1 with B is remaining on a same state, that is Q1, then Q2 with A is going to Q3, then Q2 with B is going to Q1, then Q3 with A is remaining on a same state, Q3 with B is also remaining on a same state. So this is a state transition diagram for this particular problem. Now we'll simulate one of the string. We'll take one string that is nothing but ABA B. Okay, this is a string I'll take. So we'll check for simulation of this particular string. Okay, so I'll start from this end. Okay, I'll check. Provided input A, output is A. Provided input B, output is B. Provided input A, output is A. Provided input B, output is B. And we are having the termination. So as my string is terminating on this particular node, which means my string is having string is acceptable string. Okay, so we'll also see for a failure cases. I'll take a string triple A triple A B. Okay, so I'm starting along with A, Q0 with A remain on a Q0, Q0 with A remain on a Q0, Q0 with A remain on a Q0, Q0 with B is going to Q2, and my string is ending, nothing is present after this, but wherever I am reaching is not a final state, which means this string cannot be acceptable. Okay, so in this way you should simulate a particular string along with whatever the state transition diagram you have drawn from that particular problem. So if your string is going to be terminated at the final state, which means your problem or your answer is correct. If string is not terminating at the final string, and if it is your acceptable string, then you can say something is missing or something is wrong in your that particular problem or solution. Okay, so this is all regarding to your DFA to accept a string containing ABA as a substring. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly like or press like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you.